Hi everyone, my name is Akanksha Tamta and I'm currently pursuing MS in Data Science. My project's name is Vanguard Project. The expectation of this project are that acute pancreatitis can develop into chronic acute pancreatitis, which increases the risk to develop cancer of the pancreas. The project is intended to identify risk factors and understand patterns in this pancreas disease cohort. We will be talking about the key deliverables later in the slide. Time frame is September to December 21. Business sponsors are the Data Science Ensemble. Business processes are EMR Access, Clinical Data Warehouse. Technology required are RStudio and Microsoft Excel. Project team is me and Data Science Ensemble. Data subjects are patients' demographics, diagnostic test, diagnosis, medication, and socials. Business applications are Jupyter Notebook. Participating resources are MCW, MU, MSOE, UWM, Vanguard Clinical Experts, EMR Data Collectors. Source system is the Clinical Data Warehouse, CTSI, and service level agreement was a course in biomedical research which has been successfully completed. So this data source has been retrieved from a clinical data warehouse, CTSI, which requires secure access, and we have three patient data sets, acute, chronic, and cancer, collated over 2 years for approximately 200 patients. Each data set has 6 tables. 70% of my project work is dependent on the diagnosis table, shown in the upper left corner of the slide, which contains patient IDs and disease codes. On the right side of the table, you can see that DX code categories have been reduced to binary codes or dummy variables as 0 and 1 based on their presence as acute, chronic, and other underlying diseases. Right below the diagnosis table, you can see that they have been further manipulated into a cross tab by their patient IDs in order to provide a clear picture of the patient having acute and chronic disease codes shown side by side. On the right side of the cross tab, you can also see the frequency table, which shows the frequency of DX codes in acute dataset. We have created frequency table for all three datasets. On the lower pane of the slide, we have few bar charts showing mortalities in different datasets by ethnicity, race, and year. On the left side, we can see that the bar chart is for mortalities in acute dataset by ethnicity. In the middle, it is for chronic data set by year, and then in the right hand side you can see that the bar chart is for mortalities in cancer data set by gender. So now let's talk about the statistical methodology that aligns with our key deliverables. We will be starting with the hypothesis testing to see whether we see any overlaps among patients with acute, chronic, and cancer. If we are successful in finding such overlaps, we will be applying intersection on these three data sets to filter out the common patient IDs. Since our data is categorical or binary in nature, we will be moving forward with the logistic regression to analyze overlaps among patients with these three diseases, and we will also find the percentage of correctly classified observations via accuracy rate. Since the scope of the project also deals with the relative risk of having the disease among patients who were exposed to environmental risks like consuming illegal drugs, alcohol, and smoking, we will be calculating odds ratio to make relative claims. The alternative approaches that I considered for this project was linear regression, but since the data is mostly categorical and the table that I'm working with has disease codes which are manipulated as binary for disease presence as 1 and not present as 0, so linear regression doesn't make any sense to my anticipated outcome since it deals with a continuous numeric outcome, and logistic regression makes more sense for binary response variables. I also considered the linear probability model, but the major drawback of this model is that it can produce predicted probabilities that are greater than 1 or less than 0, so I went ahead with the logistic regression. According to a research conducted by the University of Utah, pancreatic cancer is the third leading cause of cancer death in the United States, predicted to be the second leading cause of cancer death before 2030, and has the lowest survival rate for any kind of cancer. This project will help in understanding the patterns in this pancreas disease cohort. It can be used to mitigate risk factors at an early stage with early detection, and it can help in saving lives. We are the first students to ever do this, and I thank Professor Walt for this opportunity. Thank you guys.